Namaskar, welcome to Yoga with Heena Vaze and I am your instructor Neha. You are on day 28 today. Yes, you heard it right. 3 more days to go to complete your 30 days challenge. If you are practicing regularly, congratulations. You are way ahead and you are way closer to becoming a healthier version of yourself. Now your body is coming into a routine of practicing 10 minutes. So, congratulations on that. If your family, your friends have not yet started it, please share this video to them so that they can also come in line. Now, those who are new to the channel, I would request you all to please first subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I keep on posting health videos, yoga videos, and healthier recipes, and many such health and fitness tips. Now, before beginning, please sit comfortably on a mat, yoga mat, okay, and in an empty space where you can actually connect with yourself. Please sit comfortably into Siddhasana. Keep your left leg down, right leg up. Both the hands in Jnana Mudra, back straight and eyes closed. Breathe in, breathe out. Calm down. Focus only on yourself. Set your intention for the next 10 minutes. Relax. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Ah. Breathe in. Ah. Breathe in. Ah. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Welcome back to the session, everyone. And now we will begin. Now we'll begin with some core movements. Just open your legs straight and come on your elbows. Place your elbows down firmly and then be like this in this position. And now, for the starters, we fold our legs. Okay, and then take it straight and down. Just warming up a bit and down. Engage your core. Opposite cycle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down and gently roll down. Take a breath, breathe in and out. Sure, let's continue. We will continue with the leg raises in the supine position as well, okay? Both the legs straight, lift your right leg up, straight up and down. Left leg up and down. In continuation, just try to keep your knees straight. Continue. No need to rush. Practice with stability. Continuous normal breathings. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Now I'll place both my hands under my hips like this for better support. Okay, then I will repeat the same movement, but I will cross my legs. Okay, right up and midway left up. Again, cross and up, cross and up. Feel the engagement in your legs. Eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one. Slowly down and relax. Inhale and exhale. Release your hands and legs. Calm down. Let's continue now. Fold both your legs together. Lift and press it on your stomach for Pavanmuktasana. You can also lift your head up. Release all the pressure around your stomach. Slowly drop your head down. Maintain position and just go for gentle rolling. Gentle rolling right and left. Just enjoy this movement. Your back, your core area. Five, four, three, two, one. Center. Relax. Take a breath. Breathe in and out. Now slowly turn from one side. Come on your stomach. Fold both your legs together. We'll continue with the Dhanurasana. Hold your ankles. Chin on the ground. Once you're ready, inhale and lift your body up. Stretch up and hold. Five, four, three, two, one. Slowly down. Take a breath. Breathe in and out. One last time. Breathe in and up. Slowly down. And relax. Take a breath in Makarasana. Relax. Once you feel better, hold the hands under your shoulders. Lift up. Go to child's pose, okay? Land your hips on your heels. Slow down. Again, both the hands under your shoulders. Lift up. Sit comfortably in a comfortable cross-leg position. Slowly place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Inhale and exhale. Normal, natural breath. Relax. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with three Shantis all together. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Thank you so much everyone for practicing with me. Also, I would like you all to please press the like button if you liked the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye-bye.